Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dominica, and today another video on mascaras. And this time, just before I start, this is not my idea. I looked at it on YouTube multiple times and Instagram, and this is just a makeup hack that people share among each other, and I decided to share it with you as well. Try it on me first and share it with you just to see if it works, right? So the whole idea is to use two mascaras at once and take your lengthening mascara and take your volumizing mascara and apply them together on your lashes in a very fast way so it doesn't dry. If you end up liking this video, please subscribe, please, and also click the like button. I would love to make more videos like that. I just want to know that what I'm telling you is useful and helpful. And another thing, when it comes to my videos and my YouTube channel, I don't use filters. I edit my thumbnail because I want it to look nice and catchy and pretty. But other than that, that's what you get. You see my imperfections on my skin. You see the fine lines and wrinkles and spots and pimples and anything and everything that happens on a normal human's face. So this is how I want to be different. I just want to give you realistic results. I want to show you what the best makeup looks like on my skin, on aging skin, on skin that's not perfect. This way you can decide on your own whether or not to use the product and if it's gonna make a big difference. There's so many beautiful products out there that work, that help your skin look smoother, younger, better, but you know, idea is like you don't need to apply filter over it, right? You should be enjoying who you are and just rock your skin the way it is, you know. And so I want to make a difference. I want to show you what the makeup looks like and skincare, what it looks like without filter. And so this way it's more relatable and more relevant, I think, to what you need to know about those products. So yeah, let's move into an application. I'm done yapping about filters and no filters, and let's continue to watch. Okay, so before I show you how to do this hack, you will need two mascaras, your favorite lengthening mascara and your favorite volumizing mascara. What you want to do is open them both at the same time, right? Move them around a little bit just so the product gets on the brush, right? And the reason we're doing it, mascara is either really good at extending your lashes or volumizing it, but it's very hard to find a product that would do both. There are some mascaras that claim to do both, but you know, if you're like me and you don't really have a lot of lashes, like I have very thin and very light lashes. I do have lashes, but they're very thin. So I always look for volume and length. So I think this hack may help me with this. I've seen it. This is not my idea. I've seen it on YouTube or Instagram or both. Few people did that and it worked on their lashes. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. I take Monsieur Big by Lancome and Lash Idol by Lancome because these are my favorite mascaras. I am a Lancome girl. By the end of the day, I used to work for Lancome and I love their mascaras, and I always go back to Lancome mascaras. And I did another video on comparing the Thrive mascara to the Lash Idol mascara, so I'm gonna link it here. So lately I've been doing a lot of lash videos. But anyway, let's come back to the most important thing. So my mascaras are ready to go, and another very important tip as you go and you apply mascaras, you definitely want to do one eye at a time because you have to move fast. The whole idea is for the product not to get dry between applying different coats. So I'm gonna start with the volumizing portion of it, move it around a little bit, grab my mirror, and let's go. Don't worry about the mess that you're gonna make. Some of the product will get on your lids, but once mascara dries, once you're done applying mascaras, you can definitely take a Q-tip and it's just an easy cleanup. It's not really anything crazy. So this is my volumizing mascara. As you can tell, I have some lashes now, but this is the volume, so they're not as long as they could be. Okay, so now we're moving really fast, grabbing the second mascara, and now we're going to be adding length. And the only downside to it is if you actually do it, there's some clumpiness that may happen. So look at this eye and look at this eye, how much my eye is open up just by applying mascara. And I know not everybody has perfect lashes, so this is what I actually really like, because it gives me volume and length. So I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on this hack, and I think it works for me because I did get some volume and some length, not a lot of length, but I got some. And I really like this application, even though it's gonna take a little bit longer to clean it up all and to make it look nice. Let me put the other, let me do another eye, and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on this hack. Okay, so my final thoughts on it. It does work. It gives me a lot of volume and length. What I don't like is the fact that there's a lot of mess to clean up afterwards, and my lashes clumped a little bit. Like it actually, I don't know if you can avoid it. Maybe I did it too fast. Maybe I should take a little bit more time working on each eye, but I didn't want this video to be 2-hour video and me applying mascaras and talking about it. I've been doing a lot of videos on mascaras lately. But anyway, I like it. I have to say that if you have very thin lashes and they're barely visible like mine, this hack would definitely help you. But what I've noticed is that when I put just the lengthening mascara on by Lancome or volumizing mascara, I still get some lashes. I still look like I have lashes. And I also did the video on homemade mixture with coconut oil and castor oil and jojoba oil that you can actually help yourself, and they're gonna get, you gotta nourish your lashes. They're gonna look better, they're gonna be a little bit stronger, and probably getting a little bit darker from the oil application. You just have to be careful not to put it in your eye. I'm gonna go back to doing it because it actually worked when I was doing it every single day religiously, but then I got lazy. But this is it for this hack, for this application. Please, if you end up liking this video, please subscribe and click the like button, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.